Sir, I hope you like this one.
So, do you like it?
The place actually looks very big and magnificent. I like it.
So you've heard it, right? Sure. Prepare the papers, I will make the transfer to you immediately.
Sir, in that case, we need to go to the office so that we complete the paperwork and the confirmation of the payment.
It's okay. I'm right behind you.
All right, sir. Thank you.
So you like this?
Certain I like it.
Good. And do you like that car?
Of course. Who wouldn't love a Land Cruiser Prado? It's a beautiful car.
It's for you. Come on. It's for you.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
This is my...
You go and check it.
This is the life I dreamt of! I am living the life! Ah! This is beautiful! Thank you so much. I deserve this. Definitely you get me private jet. Oh my God. The house is very big and must have cost fortune. Even the car. I just want to say thank you for everything because you made this whole thing possible. Thank you.
Well, I'm glad you're happy. I just don't want to ever see tears on that face of yours.
Thank you for your concern. I can't believe I'm now a rich woman. I'm now living the life. You go to
Just don't relent. Keep demanding. For this is just the tip of the iceberg. From where this came, there are many more there. Alright?
Alright. I think I'll have to come up with a plan on how to get more money from him.
That's why I'm here. I'm very sure by tomorrow I'll come up with something.
Interesting. This calls for a celebration. So I'll have to take you around, take you to the kitchen, dining, master's room, upstairs, after which we'll go to an exquisite bar for chilling and proper celebration. Let's go upstairs.
Oh.
So this is the dining place.
Nice.
Yeah, the place is so beautiful. Something different. So this is the master.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Rich.
You're welcome. I mean, you girls should relax. We are all friends. Yes, I was mad at you two for lying to me. I didn't really appreciate that because we are friends and I deserve to know the truth. But it's all in the past now. This is like your second home, so feel free, feel at home.
Thank you. Thank you.
Food is served.
All right.
Oluchi, is it your cook now? I don't understand what he's doing here. Or is he your personal assistant? Or personal trainer?
None of the above. He's just a friend.
He's just a friend. He doesn't look like just a friend to me. Anyways, he's beginning to look so good these days. So, he looks energetic. Who even dash monkey banana? What gave him all that he's wearing? Sir? That poor thing.
I sincerely do not know what you're talking about. Like he said, food is served, so...
And who can't give monkey banana?
Up to the dining, girls.
Come over. You know? Yeah, he looks energetic. Oh. This is why I don't have money to start buying any food for myself today. Let me go and eat free food. Hi. Push your free.
Good morning, ladies. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Woo! I mean, you are welcome. Please sit.
Thank you.
Beautiful girls. Wow. So, so what do you care for?
Anything strong.
Anything strong.
Yeah.
And you?
Same.
Sing? Wow. I'll be right back.
Oluchi, is it your cook now? I don't understand what he's doing here. Or is he your personal assistant? Or personal trainer?
None of the above. He's just a friend.
He's just a friend. He doesn't look like just a friend to me. Anyways, he's beginning to look so good these days. So, he looks energetic. Who even dash monkey banana? What gave him all that he's wearing? Sef? That poor thing.
What is it? What are you doing here? Hey, Kuro. What kind of disturbance is this?
You must not go out with your car tomorrow.
What? What?
And you must not enter any other car.
How? I don't understand.
Anywhere you are going tomorrow, you must go on foot.
Doing what? How am I supposed to go out with my car today? Want me to walk the street barefooted? Nico, it's not going to be possible now. Look at me now. How? This is not good.
It is only a stubborn fly that goes to the grave with the corpse. It can be warned. A word is enough for the wise. In fact, you must send these girls out of this room immediately. If they stay here in the next 10 minutes, your wealth will go down drastically. Makana uparo okoboro ntichele ya.
Hey. Oh yeah, Dinian. Lahujuo. Get up.
Why?
dress up and leave now, please.
I'm not spending the night again.
Spend the money. I'll give you your money now. Get up. Shouldn't spend the night. Go to your house and spend the night. Get up. Immediately. I say up. I will give you your money now.
My love.
Yeah.
Listen, I will be back before you know.
Darling. Baby. You sent money to my account.
Yes, I did.
All this for what?
You deserve that and even more. Just use the money, go out, give yourself a treat, go to the spa, buy yourself some beautiful clothes and have fun.
I don't know how to thank you. But thank you anyways.
It's nothing.
Thank you, darling.
It's fine.
Come here.
So you can go out with my car, but make sure you come back on time.
Really?
Yeah, the key's in my room. On the table.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Let me go get ready.
All right.
I can't wait. But don't worry, I'll be back before you know it. I feel good.
Pa-ra-ra-ra-ra. I love him. I do.
What kind of nonsense is this? Huh? Me? Who, me or Hamadike one? That I shouldn't go out with my car. I should go out under the scorching sun, walking on the road without my car. Then what's the need of making the money? How can I make money and I'm not going to enjoy my wealth? Then what's the need? Oh my God. This is unimaginable. This is ridiculous.
One day, someday, Infonye metalu bulu, 'cause you can't run away for your sins.
Hello, Daniel. Yes, I'm coming to the warehouse. Tell the customer to wait. I'm on my way. Okay? I am coming now.
Papa. You're welcome to my new mansion.
Oluchi.
Papa.
Hey, this place is your old house. This big house.
Papa. Now I understand why people say God is the God of widows. I call this grace of God. Chupu alokalom.
Panifuno. Sister, this is very beautiful.
Like me? I know. Papa, please sit down.
It's more than a house. This is a paradise on earth. I'm happy.
Thank you.
Wait. You got water.
Viviana, how are you?
I'm fine, sister. You can see now. I'm very fine.
Have a seat.
Wow. I'm happy, Oluchi.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Papa,
Oluchi, I'm happy.
what's in there? Your clothes?
Sister,
No.
you know, as Papa used to pack and food stocks.
Yes. I can't come here without it. You know it.
Papa, you shouldn't have bothered yourself. Up was at that time. I'm now rich and comfortable. As a matter of fact, I can afford anything I want to eat.
You are my daughter. I have to come with my farm produce, the one I have. I can't come to you without it. You know it.
Thank you. All right, Papa. Thank you so much. Let me get you wine to cool off. whilst I take you to your room to freshen up before I serve you sumptuous, delicious meal. Oh?
It's alright.
Where is this my house now? Where is she? Uche! Uche! Bring wine glass. Oh yeah, let me take you to your room. Oh? So fresh. Papa, Uche,
Go with it, no problem. Chai.
Good to have you guys around.
Chai. They got my cow. So my brother makes such money.
But I hope the journey wasn't too stressful.
Most of it here TV.
It's me. Look at me, man. How are you doing?
I'm fine. But I was actually worried about you, but seeing you now, you look better than I thought.
Of course.
What was that car?
Oh, that. It's actually a long story, but long story short, God has been faithful. I mean, goodbye to our yesterday. Today is a new dawn.
But you look so good.
Thank you.
Is this my brother?
It's me, man.
Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, good afternoon.
Brother, this is Helen, my best friend. She's a very good person. She's actually the one accommodating me in the house. Please thank her for me.
Oh, really? Helen?
Yes.
My sister here, I love so much. So whatever I do for her, you've done for me. Thank you very much for all you've done.
It's nothing really. We are friends. What are friends for? But to help ourselves in need.
Oh no, I don't take favors for granted. So I will come back to return the favor, I promise.
Okay. Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you too.
Excuse me.
Very well.
Ellen, I'll join you in. Brother, she's a very good person. Her heart is so amazing. You like her?
I see. Why don't we go inside?
Your sister is not getting young any longer. Let her stay with you here in the city. That's not quality anyone. The village has not been favorable to her. Maybe the city will be okay. Because she's not getting young any longer.
Papa, I understand you. You know the last time you asked me to live with her, I said no. And that's because my husband and I could barely afford 3 square meals, let alone adding another mouth to it. We're not even living in a comfortable apartment. But right now, right here, this house is big and can actually contain more than 10 people. So my darling sister is welcome. She can stay here with me whilst I get her something to do for a living. Wow. And from there, she can pick up with life.
Sister, thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And you, Papa, I'll give you the sum of 3 million naira. I don't like the leaking roof in our sitting room in the village. I want you to do general renovation.
Wow.
Imago mezisiafo, imago tegalia paint. I want you to repaint the house, put fence, put gates, arrange the place. In 3 months' time now, rainy season will start. So I want the house to be in perfect shape before that. Very soon, of course. I'm certain I'll build something like this for you in the village.
Are you serious?
Yes, Papa. You deserve more.
Yeah. Oluchi, thank you very much.
So
Hi.
It's my duty to take care of you as a father.
Papa. Hey, sister, thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
God will continue to bless you.
Amen.
Thank you very much. Ofu is enough. And I just wish your mother is still alive to see you doing well.
Hey, yes, Helen.
Thank you so much for the money.
It's fine, it's fine. It's alright. Huh?
Brother, Helen's a very nice girl. You like her?
It seems you like her so well.
Yes, but this is not about me. But I consider it now. You need to start thinking of settling down.
You know what? I think I like her.
I saw your eyes. I saw your eyes.
So what you're going to do now is find out her opinion. Find out if she likes me too.
Brother, she likes you. She likes you. Don't worry.
Are you sure about this?
She likes you. I will talk to her for you.
It's alright. Manage this money. I will send you more money when I get back.
You send me more money.
Of course.
Brother, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's enough, Shao. Thank you.
Just know that God is good. Okay? Everything is fine now. You have nothing to worry about.
Brother, thank you.
You're welcome. I have to run now.
Brother, thank you. Bye-bye. Hi. Brother, you're shining. Brother, drive careful. Okay.
All the beautiful things are just vanity. One day they will pass away.
Excuse me. Is this not the car I bought for Oluchi with my own money?
My guy, forget that thing. Eh? Is it not obvious that your money-making machine is now my woman? As a matter of fact, we share everything in common. The car, the house, and some other private things.
How?
Forget that thing you're trying to say now. Meanwhile, why are you walking on the road like this? Did they ask you not to come out with the car today? Eh?
You see you will hear from me very soon.
Forget that thing.
Very soon, you hear from me.
The sun is so hot. Why don't you come in? Let me drop
Animal.
Hop in, let me drop you off. Eh? Oh, no, go. Keep doing all go, eh? And I'll be enjoying the money.
For silver and gold and the things of this world, many have sold their soul. All the beautiful things are just vanity. One day they will pass away. One day, someday.
Do you like my brother Chikwem?
Well, he seems to me a nice person. And he's good looking too.
Well, he likes you too. He wants to get to know you. He's talking about marriage, and that's my aimless desire.
How is that even possible? We are not even friends.
Babe, not for my hand though. I told him you would like him. My brother is a nice person and he's very serious about you. So just think about it. Best friend, sister-in-law.
Already?
Yes.
Sister? No, I have to see how serious
He's
he gets.
serious. Please, let's go. My brother is serious and he wants you. So you're saying yes, right? He's so serious.
Which one is sister-in-law? Where?
You are my sister.
And what is that animal doing here? In the car that I bought for you with my money.
Who exactly are you referring to?
I'm talking about Chikwem. I do not want to see him in this compound anymore. Whatever you have with him should stop.
You do not have the right to decide for me. That's not why I'm here.
I'm here because I need the sum of 100 million naira.
What?
You heard me. I need to start up a business. 100 million naira won't be enough for me. As time goes on, I will request for more. But for a start, I'll manage 100 million.
As long as you keep associating with him, you will never get a dime from me.
Really? It's fine. I hope you know the implication of what you just said. In case you've forgotten, you raped your best friend's wife for rituals. If I say that outside, you will rot in jail.
I'm going to send the money.
Let me get it before I get home. Have a nice day.
Things are just vanity. One day they will pass away. One day, someday, infonye metalu bulu. 'Cause you can't run away. For your sins you will pay. For the wages of sin is death. One day, someday, infonye metalu bulu. 'Cause you can't run away. For your sins you will pay. For the wages of sin is death.
Ikoro, what are you doing here? What are you doing here again? Why are you tormenting my life?
You must provide her with all she requests. She is the key to your riches. Else, she seeks for solution elsewhere.
What about that food?
Nothing goes for nothing. You must sleep with her again to renew the power of your wealth.
How is that going to be possible? She won't even come anywhere close to me.
You can make it happen. Make it happen, Ikem. Makandoge.
Why are you people doing this to me? Why? Why?
You said to me, sir.
Get out.
You said?
Get out!
One day, someday, infonye metalu bulu. 'Cause you can't run away. For your sins you will pay. For the wages of sin is death.
Let me help you.
Are you sure you can?
Of course I can. Oh, you're quite heavy.
Thank you.
My love. Oluchi. I don't want to waste more time. You see, you compliment my life so much, and so I want to spend the rest of it with you. Yes. Yes. Like I was saying, Oluchi, marry me. I want you to be the mother of my unborn kids. I want to spend forever with you. Please, do not say no.
Yes! Yes!
Yes! Yes!
I love you.
I love you too, darling. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I love you.
Oh my God!
You know what?
What?
Today is a very special day. So I want to take you out to mark this day. All right?
All right.
Yes.
I'm happy. You proposed.
Of course I did.
I love you.
I love you too, darling. Let's go. The car.
So yes, the celebration.
Wait, I need to know what I mean. Hold on. Did you buy a new car or a new house? What are we even saying?
Somebody's son go find me someday. Eh, 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 eh.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
Babe. Yes, it's called for celebration. That's why I brought this bottle of wine so we can start it off from here, then go to a lounge.
What? Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh my
Thank
goodness.
you. Mwah. Thank you so
That's
much.
so fine.
Thank you,
How
darling.
did you do it?
Well, I can't really tell what I did right, but you know your friend is a sweet girl.
I
of
know.
course.
So guess who the guy is?
Wait. Is who?
You know. Yes. Yes, you're right.
Are you serious?
I am serious.
Babe, I don't sound like a killjoy, but are you really sure about this guy that you want to spend your entire life with him?
Well, I appreciate your concern. But the thing is, I love Chikwem. Ever since I lost my husband, I've been craving for closure. I need a man who would love me for who I am and cherish me and treat me like a queen I am. I think he's the one. And moreover, Chikwem is a good guy. He's a cool dude. I've known everything I need to know about him.
Congratulations, my friend.
I'm
I'm
happy
so
for
fine.
you.
You need to tell me how you made him propose to you so fast.
I was just sweet. So let's be sweet.
You know, from all indications, my sister was right after all. You are a very beautiful soul with a very beautiful home training. And I'm beginning to like you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
I'm very sure she told you a lot about us. Unfortunately, we are orphans. My sister is the only one I have left. She means the world to me. And I do not joke with her happiness. So for that very good reason, I want to marry you.
So you have to meet my parents first.
Of course I knew that. But I need your consent first.
Okay, it's fine.
Good. I'm going to see your parents next weekend. So I get the marriage right. Okay? I don't want a loud wedding. I want something within the family.
Okay, but you still have to discuss all that with my parents.
Of course I know that. Huh. What did they bring you?
Something soft.
Something soft. Yeah.
Did you just come back?
Yes, I'm just coming back.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You must be tired.
Extremely tired.
So sorry.
Hope you made something sumptuous to eat.
Yes, I made jollof rice.
Is Chikwem back?
No, I don't think so.
I guess he's the one.
Are you sure he's not the one?
Leave us.
How are you?
How many times do you want me to tell you to stay the hell away from me before you would listen? I do not want you anywhere close to me.
Oluchi, I cannot afford to see you with another man. I love you so much from my heart. If you can give us another chance, I will make it up to you.
I don't love you, and I do not want to have anything to do with you. So leave me alone and stop coming to my house.
I mean everything I've said to you. I promise you, I will take care of you. I will make it up to us. Okay?
Get out. Get out! I said get out! I don't want to be violent. Leave my house now. Leave. I said go! What part of the go don't you understand? My love, Ikem was here today.
What does he want?
He said he can't bear to see me fall in love with another man. That he loves me so much and would want to spend the rest of his life with me. I couldn't even wait for him to be done with that nonsense he was saying before sending him out of my house. What rubbish. Who does he even think he is?
Yes. Who does he think he is? But babe, come to think of it, I think this is an opportunity to get more money from him. Yes, at least make him pay for what he did to you.
So you mean I should go close to him and ask him for more money?
Yes, darling. This is the game. Go closer to him. Make him believe you love him just like he does. Yes, and he will give you more money and even more investment. And then you kick him out. And we travel to some other beautiful country and just we'll live happy ever after.
That's an insane advice. That's a ridiculous idea. I don't expect you to say that to me.
The man we're talking about is a ritualist. Do you even give a hoot about my safety or security? What if something happens to me? What if he's up to something? Please, I do not appreciate this advice. I least expected such advice from you.
But
so it's just about the money, right?
Babe.
Excuse me.
Babe. Babe. Babe.
What did I get myself into? For the past 1 year, it's been one task every month. Now, this. How on earth am I going to make Oluchi fall for me? Not to talk of having her. She doesn't even want to have conversation with me. She doesn't want to see me eye to eye. What do I do? How do I persuade her? Should I talk to Chikwem? He will understand. He helped me before. Maybe he will help me this time.
Leave me alone.
Baby, how long are you going to be wearing this long face? You know I don't like you like this. I just want to see you happy. Alright. Listen. I'm sorry for what I said last night. I'm truly sorry. Please forgive me.
I'm not laughing with you. You know I don't like being angry with you for a very long time, but this time around, you really got on my nerves.
But I said I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Thank you for forgiving me.
It's okay. Lately I've been thinking you need a car to help ease your movement. Don't you think so?
Of course, yes. A car. Yes, I think I need a car.
Then I'll get you one.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously.
Oh! Thank you very much, darling.
I love you.
And of course I love you too. Alright, let's go upstairs.
Yeah, let me get my check, my car key and everything. So you can go get the car.
Okay. Oh, my love. God, you've made my day.
You deserve it.
I think I'll be making you sad, so you guys have been paying me.
I brought the drugs. Oh, come to think about it. This self-medication is not working. It's not working. You need to see a doctor.
Sarah, pray for me. I'm scared. For me, I'm dying. I don't want to die.
You will not die. Let me call the car.
Help.
Hello, please, can you come immediately, please? It's very urgent, please. Thank you. Hang on, he's on his way. Sorry.
Guys, pray for me. Pray for me. I don't want to die.
You won't die, Kimika. Sorry. You will soon be here, okay? Just hang on.
Your journey to this place is a very good one. Once again, I want to welcome you to my house.
Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome, my son.
Thank you, ma.
There's no point wasting time because it is of no use beating about the bush. You indicated interest to marry my daughter, Helen.
Yes, sir.
She has also given us the go-ahead to discuss with you. That is the requirement for the traditional marriage rite. I want you to study it and tell us when you're coming for the traditional marriage with your people.
You have spoken well, sir. Permits me to call you my in-law.
Oh, go ahead. Just go ahead.
My in-law, you see, I want a very quiet wedding. Traditional wedding, actually. So I want everything that you've listed here to be converted to money. I want to pay and take my wife home.
No, you can have it. Just hold it. Yes, just have it.
What is it? No, tell me, what is your problem? I have told you severally to stop coming to this place. Would you rather have me get the police to restrain you from coming here?
Babe, calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down.
Calm down, let's talk like adults. Okay?
I don't want to hear what you have to say. It's not important to me. Stop coming to my house, please.
It's okay. Anyway, I got something for you. Take a look. You like it? Then check it. You like it?
I don't need it. Stop coming to my house.
Babe, come on, don't do this. Don't do this.
See, I don't want you here. Get the hell out. How are you doing?
I feel weak. I feel pains all over my body.
Don't worry. You'll be fine. Okay?
What did the doctor say is wrong with me? What did he say?
You need to rest. You don't have to worry your head over nothing. Okay?
Sarah, tell me the truth. I deserve to know the truth. What is wrong with me? Am I ever going to be okay?
Kinika, not now. Please. I will tell you everything when you're very much better. It's nothing that we can put under control. Trust me. Please. Just rest. Okay? You'll be fine. You will be fine, alright?
Baby.
Oh my love! I know you must be very tired.
Oh yes, I am.
You're welcome. So how did it go?
It went well. You needed to be there. You know, as soon as I made my intentions known to them, everyone was excited. Yes, the others gathered and I started buying drinks everywhere.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
It was that huge?
Huge, darling. Before you know it, the women started making food and people were trooping in. My love, I wish you were there to witness the event.
That's very exciting to hear. They can't wait to see their daughter-in-law to be.
Of course.
And I can't wait to meet them.
Of course, they were all excited. But the thing there is, I think I need to renovate the old house. Yes, so we could have somewhere to lay our heads when we get back to the village.
You're right.
Yeah.
But it's not a problem. That will be sorted out. Okay? All you need to do right now is go upstairs, freshen up, come down for your favorite meal I prepared for you.
Wow.
Bitter leaf soup.
Alright, let me go.
Yeah, of course. Let's go.
Alright.
I'll help you. You're welcome.
Thank you, babe.
I missed you.
Of course, I missed you too.
It seemed like you've been away for 2 months.